Okay guys, welcome back. In this section, we will learn how to monitor MikroTik RouterOS using SNMP version 3. I will explain why SNMP version 3 is more secure, how to configure it on MikroTik, and how to add in Zabbix. Okay? Uh, Before we jump into this section, I want to show you something. Look at here in monitoring in latest data, you can see the data from the MikroTik Edge router which added in the previous section are properly monitored from Zabbix server. Okay, you can see last check 33 seconds ago. You can update. I think the interval time is 1 minute per 1 minute per 1 minute. Okay, and I want to show you here in GNS3 here start capture filter by SNMP, wait a little. Look at here, simple network management protocol version 2C community my super password. You can see your password if someone can capture your packet. And you can the response integer 32, and this is the value, this is the OID or object identifier, and this is the return value, this is the OID, and this is the return value, this is the OID, and this is the returned value. Okay guys, everything is clear text. Now I want to show you how to set up SNMP version 3. But before, let me explain a little about SNMP version 3. SNMP version 3 is more secure than SNMP version 2 because it supports authentication and encryption. So, helps protect your monitoring data from unauthorized access. It uses a username and password and also encrypted the data. Okay, what protocols we use in authentication? We use MD5 or message digest 5 and SHA or secure hash algorithm in the authentication protocols. We can use MD5 or SHA, but it is recommended to use SHA or SHA. SHA is usually better than MD5 because it's more secure against attacks. Okay, for encryption or privacy protocols, we can use DES, Data Encryption Standard, or AES, Advanced Encryption Standard. And I recommend use AES because AES is much more secure than DES, so it is best to use AES if your device supports it. Okay, let's go to the MikroTik. Comes here. I want configure the SNMP version 3 on the MikroTik. Open the Winbox, comes to IP, SNMP, community, add another community. I type Iman. This is the Zabbix server IP address, 96.150. Security I set to private, which is authentication and authorization. Authentication and encryption of the data transmission between Zabbix Agent and Zabbix and MikroTik. I only give the read access. In authentication protocols, I will use the SHA one, and for encryption protocol, for the sake of simplicity, I will use the DES. You can choose AES, but it is recommended to use AES. But for this learning purpose, I will use DES authentication password. I will use admin 12345 admin and 12345. Okay, I will add it and done. Comes here, data collection, host, create a new host, MikroTik, buy SNMP version 3, add a template on it, MikroTik RouterOS by SNMP, okay, host group, we will join it in net device, SNMP, the IP address of the MikroTik, 192.168.96 and 137, which is this IP address, set on Ether 1 on the MikroTik. Comes here, IP address. You can see this IP address is set on Ether 1 on the MikroTik. I will use SNMP version 3. Context name is you can set it empty. Security name is the community name. Which is the community name? Which community name? IP SNMP community. This is the community name. Iman, and security level I will set to auth priv. Authentication I set it to SHA1, and passphrase was admin 125. And for privacy protocol we use DES, okay, and for privacy we set 125, and here some description, monitor MikroTik by SNMP version 3 for more security, okay, and add this device. Now wait a little. SNMP here comes down here. Look at here, SNMP version 3, message data encrypted video. You can't see any detail, but here in version 2C you can see the community name, you can see the data, you can see more detailed about data. But in SNMP version 3, which is here, data is encrypted PDU. This is the encrypted data. Data was encrypted. And here the availability icon is green, and in the monitoring latest data, select the MikroTik by SNMP version 3. Wait a little. We have to wait a little, some time, to retrieve all the data. Wait a little again. You can see the system name was properly retrieved, edge router, and uptime is 1 hour and 53 minutes, approximately 2 hours. This router is uptime, and we have to wait. We have to wait. Let me pause the video when the data retrieve. I will start the video and finish the video. Okay guys, you can see another information was retrieved from the MikroTik. The statistics about all interface card, Ether 1, Ether 2, Ether 3, Ether 4, and another. Okay, and the connection between the MikroTik and Zabbix using SNMP version 3 is more secure than the SNMP version 2. Okay, this is how you can monitor your MikroTik routers using SNMP version 3 in Zabbix. In the next video, we will explore more advanced monitoring topics. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, and see you in the next time.